If Facebook is not loading properly in Google Chrome, don't worry. This is a common issue that many users experience, and in most cases, it can be fixed within just a few minutes. Sometimes Facebook may show a blank page, fail to load images, keep refreshing, or display connection errors inside Chrome. The problem is usually caused by browser cache issues, extensions, outdated settings, or internet connection problems. The good news is that the fixes are very simple. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to fix Facebook not loading on Google Chrome in 2026 step by step, even if you have zero technical knowledge. First, let's start with the easiest solution. Completely close Google Chrome and reopen it. Sometimes temporary browser glitches can stop websites like Facebook from loading properly. After reopening Chrome, try visiting Facebook again and check whether the issue is fixed. If Facebook still does not load, check your internet connection first. Open another website like Google or YouTube and see whether it loads normally. If no websites are working, restart your Wi-Fi router or reconnect your internet connection before continuing. Now let's clear Chrome cache and cookies, because corrupted browser data is one of the most common reasons Facebook stops working correctly. In Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner and open Settings. On the left side, click Privacy and Security, then select Clear Browsing Data. Choose Cookies and Other Site Data and Cached Images and Files. Set the time range to All Time and click Clear Data. Keep in mind that this may sign you out of some websites temporarily. Once the process finishes, restart Chrome and try opening Facebook again. If the issue continues, the next step is checking browser extensions. Certain extensions such as ad blockers, privacy tools, VPNs, or script blockers can interfere with Facebook. Type Chrome://extensions into the address bar and press Enter. Disable all extensions temporarily, especially ad blockers and VPN-related extensions. After disabling the extensions, restart Chrome and test Facebook again. If Facebook works normally afterward, then one of the extensions was causing the problem. You can re-enable them one at a time to find the exact extension responsible. Another useful fix is updating Google Chrome. Outdated browser versions may have compatibility problems with modern websites like Facebook. Click the three dots, go to Help, then select About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates and install them if available. After the update finishes, relaunch the browser. You should also try opening Facebook in incognito mode. Press Ctrl-Shift-N on Windows or Command-Shift-N on Mac. Incognito mode disables most extensions and uses fresh browsing data, which helps identify whether the issue is related to settings or cached files. Another important step is checking whether Facebook itself is temporarily down. Sometimes the issue is not related to your browser at all. You can search online for Facebook server status or check whether other people are experiencing the same problem. If none of these methods work, reset Chrome settings completely. Search for Reset inside Chrome settings and click Restore settings to their original defaults. This resets Chrome settings and disables extensions without deleting bookmarks or saved passwords. So that's the easiest way to fix Facebook not loading on Google Chrome in 2026. The main solutions are checking your internet connection, clearing cache and cookies, disabling problematic extensions, updating Chrome, testing incognito mode, and resetting browser settings if needed. Most users can solve the issue quickly using these simple methods. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple Chrome tutorials and beginner-friendly tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.